you add a new slide to a presentation, you can also choose a slide layout that best conveys the information on the slide. In this lesson, you learn to add a new slide, indent text levels, and modify slide layout. We'll add 2 more slides to our presentation, and when we're finished, it'll look like this. There's a descriptive title at the top of this slide, and this list of travel highlights. This slide uses the title and content slide layout. A slide layout determines how the text and object placeholders are arranged on the slide. You're already familiar with slide layouts because the first slide in our presentation uses the default title slide layout. We'll also add a 3rd slide that uses content with caption slide layout. Let's get started. In step 1, here in the Slides group on the Home tab, I'll click the New Slide button. A new blank slide appears, and the thumbnail for the new slide is selected here on the left. Down here, the status bar also indicates that we're now working on slide 2. The new slide contains this title placeholder and a content placeholder that you can use to add text or to insert objects like a table, a chart, pictures, and even video. Now in step 2, I'll just start typing the title for this slide, Canadian Rail Travel. As you can see, even though the title placeholder wasn't selected, PowerPoint knew to place this text here. Next, I'll click the bottom content placeholder. And in step 3, I'll type Dramatic Scenery. Then I'll press the Enter key, and the insertion point moves to the next line, where a new first-level bullet automatically appears. In step 4, I'll press the Tab key, and the first-level bullet indents to become a second-level bullet. Then in step 5, I'll type Beautiful Canadian Prairies. And I'll press Enter. And now I'll go up to the Paragraph group, and I'll click the Decrease List Level button. This changes the second-level bullet into a first-level bullet. In step 6, I'll type Retrace the Steps of Historical Explorers. And the text for this slide is now complete. So to add another new slide, I'll go up to the Slides group, and this time I'll click the New Slide List arrow. This layout gallery opens, displaying the 9 standard slide layouts. In step 7, here in the bottom row, I'll click the Content with Caption slide layout. A new 3rd slide appears, containing 3 different content placeholders. And for the slide title, I'll type Magnificent Canadian Rockies. Then in step 8, I'll click the lower left placeholder, and I'll type Jasper National Park. I'll press Enter, and then I'll go up to the Paragraph group, and I'll click the Increase List Level button, and I'll type Visit the Moline Valley. I'll press Enter one more time, and I'll type Spectacular Wildlife Scenes. Finally, in step 9, I'll click a blank area of the slide to deselect the placeholders. Then I'll go up to the Quick Access toolbar, and I'll click the Save button. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn about entering and printing notes to accompany your slides, turn to page PowerPoint 10 in your book.